OpenAI has launched a new model today, GPT-4o MINI. Before diving into the details, it's clear that developers are going to adore this model. It's set to become the go-to option for almost everyone due to its incredibly low cost. GPT-4o MINI belongs to the GPT-4o family. If you're not familiar with it, GPT-4o is a truly multimodal system, unlike previous models, which had separate large language and vision models. This one integrates both seamlessly. It's similar to what Google has achieved with Gemini, including their models Gemini 1.5 Pro and Gemini 1.5 Flash. Similarly, OpenAI has both GPT-4o and GPT-4o MINI. Think of GPT-4o MINI as the iPhone mini of AI models. OpenAI claims it scores 82% on the MLU benchmark, which seems impressive, though I don't personally place much trust in MLU scores. Nonetheless, congratulations to OpenAI. Additionally, GPT-4o MINI reportedly outperforms GPT-4 in chat preferences according to LMSYS, which is truly impressive. If you're a developer, particularly a SaaS developer looking for an API, you probably appreciated GPT-4 when it was released, and then GPT-4o. Now with GPT-4o MINI, you have a much smaller and more affordable model, priced at 15 cents per million input tokens and 60 cents per million output tokens. We'll soon compare this with Gemini 1.5 Flash. One fascinating aspect is that the price has dropped by 99% since Text DaVinci 003. For those unfamiliar, Text DaVinci 003 was revolutionary, transforming the way we use prompts. But instead of merely completing text, people began engaging in prompt engineering with this model. It was one of the pioneers of AI. Today, thanks to this new model, the price has dropped by 99%. If you need a reason to build AI-based applications, this is it. GPT-4o MINI enables a wide range of tasks with low cost and latency. Most importantly, it's ideal for summoning agents, chaining prompts, making multiple model calls, and handling all the scenarios where multiple calls are required. This is likely one of the best models to use, especially if you need to pass a large volume of context to the model. GPT-4o MINI supports 128,000 token context window. There is also another model with 128,000 token context window, which we will discuss shortly. Currently, this multimodal model supports both text and vision. While support for text, image, video, and audio inputs and outputs is planned for the future, it currently handles text and vision. This means you can generate text and provide input images for querying. The model's knowledge base is up to date until October 2023 and features an improved tokenizer that handles non-English text much more cost efficiently. One of the hallmarks of the GPT-4o release is its improved tokenizer, which is much better at handling non-English languages. This capability is also present in the other model we'll discuss today. Although GPT-4o MINI is a smaller model, OpenAI claims it possesses more knowledge than GPT-3.5 Turbo, which is quite understandable. Additionally, it demonstrates stronger performance in terms of function calling, a highly valued feature among developers. Function calling is one of the most beloved features by developers because it allows seamless integration with various APIs. Function calling enables the model to make API calls and respond consistently with the correct type of JSON object or similar data structures. GPT-4o MINI has been evaluated across key benchmarks, including reasoning tasks, MLU math, and coding. It also supports multimodal reasoning. In terms of MLU, GPT-4o MINI performs impressively, making it a versatile and powerful tool for developers. As I mentioned, GPT-4o MINI performs well, but MLU scores can be easily manipulated, so I don't entirely trust them. However, GPT-4o MINI also excels in math, reasoning, and coding tasks, outperforming many smaller models. You can see benchmarks comparing GPT-4o MINI with models like Gemini Flash, Claude, Haiku, GPT-3.5 Turbo, GPT-4o, and GPT-4. Of course, it should be better, otherwise it wouldn't make sense to buy a bigger model that performs poorly. So while benchmarks are helpful, it's important to consider real-world usage and performance. When comparing GPT-4o MINI with other models like Gemini, Flash, Claude, Haiku, and GPT-3.5 Turbo, even though direct comparisons might not always be fair, many people still rely on these comparisons to make decisions. This is a model that many developers are likely to use due to its low cost. GPT-4o MINI is set to replace a lot of code bases, with developers likely to do a mass search and replace, switching from GPT-3.5 Turbo to GPT-4o MINI. This shift is going to be significant. In terms of cost, GPT-4o MINI offers a very economical solution, making it an attractive option for a wide range of applications. Let's take a look at the comparison with Gemini 1.5 Flash. Many have claimed that Gemini 1.5 Flash is the best and cheapest model available. For 1 million input tokens, Gemini 1.5 Flash costs 35 cents, and for output tokens, the cost is $1 per 1 million tokens. But it also supports up to 128,000 tokens, which is useful for context catching. However, if you exclude context catching, GPT-4o MINI offers a more affordable option at 15 cents per million input tokens and 60 cents per million output tokens. This significant cost difference makes GPT-4o MINI a highly attractive choice for many developers. If we compare the cost directly for 1 million tokens with 128,000 context window, GPT-4o MINI is priced at 15 cents, which is almost half the cost of Gemini 1.5 Flash. It seems like OpenAI, under Sam Altman's leadership, is determined to outcompete Google with this aggressive pricing strategy. The output token cost for GPT-4o MINI is 60 cents, which is almost 50% cheaper than Gemini 1.5 Flash's $1 per million output tokens. The only remaining advantage of using Gemini 1.5 Flash might be their 1 million token context window, but even that is now at a different price point. Overall, this release is a significant win for developers, offering powerful capabilities at a much lower cost. I know many developers who are definitely going to update their code today. Another great advantage is that even ChatGPT free users, including those on the free plan, can access GPT-4o MINI starting today. So instead of GPT 3.5, you'll be using GPT-4o MINI. I can't wait to try out this model myself, and I'm excited to share this news with everyone. This is an amazing model and an excellent release, although it's unlikely to be open sourced. If I had to pick one model to develop any AI-based application today, especially an LLM-based application, it would definitely be GPT-4o MINI. There's no doubt about its value and efficiency. Thanks to OpenAI for providing such a cost-efficient and powerful model. And GPT-4o MINI isn't the only model released today. There's also a new model resulting from a collaboration between Mistral and NVIDIA called Mistral Nemo. NVIDIA already has a family of models named Nemo, so this addition is quite interesting. The new Mistral Nemo model is a 12 billion parameter model built in collaboration with NVIDIA. While there may not be a lot of details yet, this partnership could bring some significant advancements in the field. In my personal opinion, the 12 billion parameter Mistral Nemo model performs better than all the 8 billion and 9 billion parameter models, which is expected given its larger size. However, there are certain aspects of this model that I absolutely love. I'd like to make a separate video to try out this model. The first thing that stands out is its excellent multilingual capabilities, covering a wide range of languages that aren't usually included. Specifically, it supports English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, and Hindi. In addition to Hindi, this model also supports more Indian languages. It boasts 128,000 token context window, though we don't yet know how much RAM is required. It could potentially need up to 128 GB of RAM, considering how demanding transformer models can be. Despite this, the support for 128,000 token context window is impressive. The biggest advantage of this model is its new tokenizer. In large language models, the tokenizer is crucial for reducing costs because it breaks down words into tokens. It also significantly impacts the model's understanding of multiple languages, Without an efficient tokenizer, supporting languages like Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, or others would be much more expensive compared to English. An efficient tokenizer can solve this cost disparity, enhancing the model's multilingual capabilities and making it more cost-effective to use for a wide range of languages. The Mistral Nemo model uses a brand new tokenizer called tick token. This is based on the concept of tokens rather than using a sentence piece tokenizer. If I recall correctly, there was a game called Tekken when I was growing up, but the tokenizer name here is tick token, which emphasizes token-based processing. This approach enhances the model's efficiency and performance, especially in multilingual contexts. Mistral's previous models used the sentence piece tokenizer, but this new model uses tick token, which is based on token processing and has been trained on over 100 languages. And according to Mistral, tick token is 30% more efficient at compressing natural language and source code compared to sentence piece. This efficiency is particularly notable for languages like Chinese, Italian, French, German, Spanish, and Russian, and this improvement makes the model more cost-effective and better at handling multilingual tasks. The tick token tokenizer used in the Mistral Nemo model is also 2 to 3 times more efficient in compressing Korean and Arabic languages compared to the Llama 3 tokenizer. Tick token is designed to be more proficient in compressing text for approximately 85% of languages. Given that this is a 12 billion parameter model with more parameters, data, and a robust base, these improvements were somewhat expected. Nonetheless, the efficiency gains in text compression, especially for a wide range of languages, make this model particularly impressive. I think this tokenizer will make a significant difference, especially for those needing a multilingual model. Additionally, the Mistral Nemo model scores much better than existing models on the MT bench and Wild Bench benchmarks. The base model has been released on Hugging Face's Model Hub, and because it's also an NVIDIA model, you can use it in NVIDIA's Nemo Inference microservice. You can see the improved compression rates and overall efficiency in handling various languages, making it an excellent choice for diverse applications. In the context of multilingual models, lower compression rates are better. For English and computer programs, the compression rates are almost similar, indicating the model's efficiency. While I don't have specific benchmarks to compare this, it's an interesting detail. The compression rate goes up to around 4 for Malayalam, a popular South Indian language, suggesting the model performs well across a variety of languages. Overall, it seems like a highly capable and efficient model, and I can't wait to try out this model either. Nonetheless, both models offer exciting possibilities for developers and AI enthusiasts. We're happy with both models, as each serves a distinct purpose. GPT-4o MINI is perfect for developers who need efficient API calls, while Mistral Nemo is ideal for multilingual large language model enthusiasts and those looking to build applications in languages other than English. Both models offer valuable capabilities tailored to different needs. Let me know by sharing your thoughts. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Happy prompting.